as we welcome our candidates of Kewada Naguyup Festival 2025 Extra Large Edition in their grand opening salvo!
nagtataka kayo kung bakit ako sumali sa patimpalak na to, kayong ang taba-taba ko naman. And that's exactly the reason why I joined this pageant. I want you all to realize that sexiness is a mindset. It's not in the physical. It's actually how you feel about yourself that makes you sexy. Isang kapabulaan ng gabi, Barangay Kukmon. Ako nga po pala si JV Canuel Santa Ana, 22 taong gulang, at mariin kong ipagmamalaki na ako ang representante ng pinakamagandang munisipalidad ng Kalaman, probinsya ng Camarines Sur. At bago ko lisanin ang entabladong ito, nais ko lamang mag-iwan ng isang kataga. Sa mga matataba po dyan, huwag niyong ikahiya ang bilbil niyo. Pinaghirapan niyo yan. Kakalamon. So work hard, eat well. Thank you!
Chemistry of a truth Bicolana rolled into one. This is Naima Sabrina Arismendi, 33, Ginumbatan, Albay. Bago ko po pansamantalang lisanin at ako ng sulit na nagtado ito, nais ko mag-iwan ng tatlong kataga. And I, thank you!
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Sean Indian Solon, 22, representing from Calap Festival, Municipality of Bula, Province of Camarines Sur. At bago ko po lisanin ang entabladong ito, gusto ko lamang po mag-iwan ng isang kasabihan na hindi lahat ng masarap ay kailangan tikman. Ikaw nga, hindi ka nga minahal, hindi pa masarap. Thank you so much and happy fiesta! In English, get in me. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mobile Legends! Just maraming nabagi-tabi sa Indoga Boys. My name is Jessica Smith, 26 years of age and a licensed electrical engineer. Proud and loud to represent Legazpi City of Nag-iiwan ng isang katagang ang kagandaan ay dinigin sa panglabas sa kanyo lamang sapagkat ito ay nakatayo sa inyong harapan. And thank you.
Good evening, Barangay Kukmon. This is Alan Nyayot Alimanya.
good morning, or should I say, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Standing before you is blessed and baptized by the name of Mr. Kevin Marcoso. But this is a pageant. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of ang nag-iisang Mamchi ng ABS-CBN. This is Carla Estrada. Nag-iwan naman po ng hindi masyadong bastos, pero nakakasarap. Hinubuyang nakaway, lasot ka ba? Kasi handa akong mamatay, matikman ka lang.
Everything in this world is not permanent. Like the other song say, what goes around, comes around. What goes up, must come down. A pleasant evening, people of Barangay Kutmuan Kamalig. In front of you is baptized by the name of Greg Repotente. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of Miss Eunice Renegado, 29, mula sa munisipalidad kung saan nag-celebrar ng Puto Festival, Municipality of West Province of Albay. At bago ko po lisanin ang entobladong ito, nais ko pong mag-iwan ng tatlong kasabihan. Una, na ang kamatis ay pampakinis ng kutis, ang kalabasa ay pampalinaw ng mata. Ay wag ka, kaya ang tanong naman ni Kuya, ang siya nagpapatirik sa aking mga mata. Pangalawang kasabihan, na ang kalalakihan ay may dalawang ulo. Ang isa ay edukado, ang isa naman ay delikado. At huling kasabihan, ang nanay ko po ay mangkuhulam, ang tatay ko po ay mambabarang, pues, panel of judges, mga tabulators, kung ayaw ng makulam at mabarang, gawing patas ang laban. Joke lamang po. Once again, this is Eunice Renegado from West, representante ng Albay. Thank you, and that's the bottle. Begin.
Tonight is a celebration of beauty with glamour, diversity, and inclusivity. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and in between. The girls standing in front of you are so fresh, and indeed 26 years old stunners who hail all the way from the first-class municipality of Rinconada and where the Alinsangan and Buabuan Festival were celebrated, municipality of Nava, province of Camarines Sur. This is Margo Susi. At bago ko po lisanin ang apat na sulong entabladong ito, mag-iiwan lamang po ako ng isang kanta. Kung alam niyo po ang kanta, sabayan niyo po ako. Amor, amor, rescue di mi, rescue di ti. Di ko sinisintir, buray ko siripon, bibhaging siripon, dahito tututun, takundut-tutun mo, buray kong maitong, baka sabihin mo, buray ko alarong, thank you so much!
Ang batag na haralaba, mahamis, asin masiram sa kamalig, pinipita. Pagabot sa Castilla Sorsogon, butong kabayo ini. Pagduman sa pilar, ay day, ni Lucy na ini. Joke lamang po. Good evening, people of Barangay Kutmuan. Standing in front of you Malaga Community College, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies. 25, representing Municipality of Comalig.
What a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and everyone. This is Cassie Garcia Navarra, but tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name of the 2024 most beautiful face in the world. Yes, ang babaeng minsan na pong nagpakilig kay Daniel Padilla. Opo, ako nga po, Miss Andrea Brillante. 19, and I'm proud and honored to represent from the delicious spicy hometown municipality, the Pinangac Empire of Bicolandia, Municipality of Comalig, Province of Albay. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. Diyos, marhay na pagkabanggi sa ito, boss, or should I say, a blessed evening to each and every one. Good evening, beautiful people of Kukmon, Comalig, Albay. The lady that is standing in front of you is never afraid to be seen, be visible, and be heard in our society. For I don't mind traveling almost 4 hours to be here in this beautiful place. My name is Belle Aguirre, 20 years old. I am a third-year college student of Ateneo de Naga University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Nursing and a consistent Dean's Lister. And I am the first ever trans woman to be accepted in the college. And I am very much grateful to be standing here in front of you tonight because this is the first time that I am joining a beauty pageant wherein we no longer need to hide our body in order for us to fit in into the standards of beauty pageant. Because tonight, we are not just the most beautiful, but we are the most powerful in front of you, showing our true, authentic self. Thank you and good evening.
In a world full of standard, I stand as a reminder that beauty comes with any shape and strength comes with any form. Tonight is gathering of all the beauty icons all over the Bicolandia, vying for one title, one crown. And as the pageant begin with a simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? So tonight, let us find out as we celebrate beauty, diversity, and inclusivity. Good evening, beautiful people of Kukmon. This is
And I am very proud, honored, and dignified to represent the Pinangat Empire of the world, the Masirang, Manato, Asipaarang na munisipalidad ng Camali, Province of Albay. At na nag-iiwan ng hindi bastos at hindi rin nakakatawang kasabihan na mahirap pong magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman tunay na lalaki. Mahirap din pong magpakababae kung hindi ka naman tunay na babae. Pero mas mahirap pong magpakatao kung hindi nyo kami gagalangin at re-respetuhin bilang isang tao. Because we are born to be true and never, ever to be perfect. Thank you.
Ate, ikaw po ba yung kapatid ng si Kati Mene? Ang ating kasagutan ay hindi po, ate! Ang babae na katayo sa inyong harapan ay minsan na pinapalakpakan dito sa Albay bilang isang Jessica Soho. Di umano sa probinsya ng Albay may mga bakla sumasali sa patimpalak. Hello, hi, good evening, people of Good Morning. This is Jara Agata Monte Carlo Santiago, 22, representing Municipality of Barangay, Province of Albay. Good evening.
A good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Good evening, Barangay Kutmon, Camaligal Bay. In front of you is fresh, virgin, 16 years of age, and I am Jade Madrigal Villanueva, and I am representing from my hometown, Dabis Bukamo, Lumapagpilibang Banuang, Pulangi, Albay. At ako po ay nag-iwan ng isang katagang mahirap sabihin na maganda ka kung saan mo hanapin kung saan banda. Pero mas mahirap sabihin na maganda ka. Oo, sabihin natin maganda ka, pero ang tanong, virgin ka pa ba? Let the battle begin, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Gulat kayo, no? Gulat din ako nang pinagpalit niya ako. As we face different struggles nowadays, the COVID-19 pandemic has really given us the fears and tears, but it's not just impacting us, but all people in this world. Despite this dilemma, we can say that not all heroes wear capes. Yes, we have doctors, teachers, armed forces, and others who serve as our frontliners to ensure that our health and safety protection will remain priority. And because of your strength and courage to fulfill your mission, we, the members of LGBTQI community, salute, applaud for your hard work, dedication, and sacrifices during the pandemic time. Diyos marhay na manggi, people of Kutmon, my name is Sean Cervantes Lusabio,
a graduate of cum laude at Mariners Polytechnic College, took a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, and I'm proud to say that I am a certified public accountant and currently working at Citibank in Metro Manila. At bago ko po iiwan ang 4 na sulong ng napakagandang tabladong ito, hindi po ako mag-iwan ng kasabihan, ngunit aawitan ko po kayo. Napakaraming doktor dito sa atin, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming guro dito sa atin, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-a-abroad sila. Napakaraming pogi dito sa kurpo, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Bakla na rin sila. And I'm very much to represent all the way from the summer capital of Rinconada area, Municipality of Balatan, Province of Camarines Sur. Thank you. Simulan na ang Batagulan.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host, Sophie the Glamour host, and that host that Albay Mabuhay, Miss Sophie Miranda, and Mr. Richard Don.
Good evening, people of Camarines Marhay Nabanggi, Barangay Pagmon, and tonight is the most awaited, the most highlighted, and highly anticipated of this said festival.
Good evening, everyone. Diyos Marhay Nabanggi sa inyo, boss. You know what, Char? This would be a very exciting evening to all, especially as we celebrate different sizes, beauty, and diversity of our 15 lovely candidates all over Vicovania. By the way, I'm Sophia Gurina Morana, the Glamour host.
And I'm Richard, the one and only event host ng Albay Mabuhay, and we welcome you all to the first ever Search for Iwata ng Huyog-Huyugan 2025 Excellence Edition Grand Coronation Night. All right.